And we are here at Marvel Superhero Island, home of the amazing Spider-Man and Dr. Doom's Fearfall. And honestly, quite honestly, it is very, very quiet without our good friend Bruce Banner raising hell. Of course, we're talking about the Incredible Hulk coaster. Wow! Now we got the Storm Force Acceleratron entrance over by Dr. Doom. That is pretty cool. Speaking of Dr. Doom, the old tin can is out and about harassing the good people of Superhero City, or Marvel Superhero City. And wow, we are, I'm sorry, that is one of my favorite photo guys, or characters, let's say. And there we got Captain America over here. I wonder if he knows Dr. Doom is over there. But at any rate, here is Hulk. It looks like they've got all kinds of work happening on the outside there. And that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful green track. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Crews have been working pretty much non-stop to get this sucker back up and running. And what are you looking for?
Is it working?
They tore it down and now they're rebuilding it. It's not done yet. Yeah, everybody's wondering, where's the Hulk? Where's the Hulk? Well, it's right in front of you. Painted that big purple tube into a black one. Don't know if you can see it too well because of the lighting and all that. But this used to be the entrance for Storm Force. Now they're doing work back here, so they've got that closed off. Uh-oh. So yeah. Civilians should exercise extreme caution. Yes. Do not attempt to apprehend. No, just take pictures with them. Shield is on the lookout for superheroes and supervillains. Don't approach them. Instead, take pictures of them. Lots of fun. So yeah, so that's gonna wrap up our little tour of Incredible Hulk and Universal here. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry, I'm just I can never really keep a straight train of thought around here because there's just so much overload. Always a lot of fun. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube at Behind Thrills, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, Behind Thrills as well. And check us out every day at BehindTheThrills.com. Until next time, somebody get Captain America and the Fantastic Four. Dr. Doom's all over the place.